hoppers, hello hoppers, hello hoppers, hello hoppers, and welcome to MuchoHop.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how we get to the main station in Milan. And I'm going to talk about all the different things you'll find at the station. And finally, we'll get a train to Brescia.
I am in Duomo train station. So the M1 and the M3 stop here. This is Duomo here. And I have to go in the direction of Comacina. Alright? And I don't have to change or anything. And the Centrale is there. Yes? Or it's probably here, but we can't see it. A lot of people have pointed to that. And that's the M3. I am going early because the Duomo area is very, very busy, and I can also film a little bit of the Centrale train station for you guys. Let's see what it's, well, we already saw it, but I'll give you more details about it.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Anna. Some people call me Mucho, and I've been traveling every year of my life since I was 5 years old.
Oh, and by the way, the ticket I bought yesterday to take the tram, it didn't do anything. It didn't punch the date on it or anything. So I'm going to try and use it again today because it's good for 90 minutes after you punch it. So if it doesn't work, then I'll buy another one. But let's try it out. See what I mean? A lot of people, a lot of people. So M1 is to the right and M3 is right here. Wish me luck. Alright. Here, I think, right? Yeah. Sí, me funcionó. Yes? We're going towards Comacina. And we are at Duomo. And we're going towards Centrale. Okay, put the ticket away. Let's go down. Here, Comacina M3. Don't fall. Wouldn't be the first time. Alright, the train is going to come in 4.5 minutes. Walk through to get out. Let's go upstairs. Different railway stations. You have a bus to the airport, also an express train to the airport. You have maybe the subway, regional trains. We're going up that way. So the ATM is the urban trains and transportation. It includes the trams, the buses, and the metro. You can get the app there. I have that app. Then you have, like I said, the 4 metro lines. And then you have some buses and trains to the airport. And then you have the suburban trains that I've shown you before. And it's the S's. S's for suburban. So here are some of the services: luggage deposit, pharmacy, parapharmacy, supermarket, post office, and toilets. see the signs for the exits, taxis, and the airport bus and train. So all kinds of services that you have. You could leave your luggage, exits. So there are lots of stores around here, food. How about them pizza? There's the metro. I'm going upstairs though. Thunderstorms. Lucky me. Yeah. I missed the thunderstorm again. I was lucky. Although it's early, the first thing we do is look for our train. My train isn't there yet because they only go up to 12:40 and mine is at 13 something, 35. And you've noticed these are departures. Partenze, salidas, departures. You don't have to go up these stairs with your heavy bags. There are escalators and there are lifts, elevators. We also see their arrivals and departures, so you could see both together. You have a place to leave your bags, and I think there's also a post office there. Stores, you have a lift there. Don't confuse ATM machine where you get money with ATM.it, which is where you get the urban, the metro and the suburban lines in Milan. Okay. I got my Trenitalia ticket on my app, on my phone. You could also get it on the website, but you could also get it at a machine. Express. You have toilets that way. And lots of ticket machines. Out of curiosity, let's see what they show here. Oh, so it's going to Brescia, it's going to Padua, Verona. It's probably another type of train, another train company, let's say. I'm gonna go to information and ask. I'm gonna go up. So we have to keep going up for trains. You see treni. So I went in there, it looks pretty good. It's a restaurant, pizzeria, wine bar, cafeteria, or like a cafe place. They have coffee, regional products, free Wi-Fi, and takeaway. Alright, so they have a lot of restaurants and services. They even have a hairdresser there. I wanted to get a haircut, but I don't have time. So I went to ask the difference between Italio and Trenitalia, and Italio is a private company and Trenitalia is public. So there might be a little bit of a difference in the trains and the prices. Okay, so decided to check out the toilets. It's €1 to get in. It's €1. But I have to see what? I'm trying to move. Okay. Thank you. Grazie. Okay, females. This way. Right here. Better be clean. The one I went in was really disgusting. None of them have toilet seats. Well, this one does, but I have to disinfect everything. So you pay €1, but you get crap. So my train is up there. It's Trenitalia 2627, the one that goes to Verona, leaving at 13:25, and it stops at Brescia, and it leaves from track 11. So there's Brescia, 14:31. Wow. So 1 to 10 to the left, 11 to 22 to the right. I have to go to track 11. So those were closed. People are leaving. The entrance is here. So entrance there. It's pretty chaotic in here. There are a lot of people. There's a line over there for last minute tickets for people who need last minute tickets. My track is here, number 11 over there. So there's coffee and even makeup. And I went in. When I went in, they didn't ask for anything. I just walked right in. I guess they'll ask on the train for my ticket. All right, I'm gonna go to my seat, which, by the way, there isn't an assigned seat. Main regional train 2627 to Verona 1325. Track 11. Ooh, I feel like back on the subway. Go Brooklyn, go Brooklyn, go Brooklyn. It's pretty full. There's no assigned seat, but I'm going in second class, so I can sit anywhere except first class. It's a very, very long train. The yellow part here is first class. The yellow wagons are first class. So I am in Brescia. The train station is only about a kilometer away from my hotel, so I decided to walk it like that. You could get to see the town. It's not that easy with the suitcase and the wheels and these cobblestones, but I manage. So it's nice. The temperature is totally different. It's about 22 degrees Celsius, whereas in Milan it was like 30 something. So it's nice. It is sticky though. It's still like humid. But also I've been walking with a suitcase and a backpack. But it's nice. The weather is very different. So far the hotel looks really nice. So I'm going to show you the room. A nice wooden wardrobe. All made of wood. Smells like wood even. Marble. Oh, my room. With a chandelier. They even give me slippers. Check out my desk. I could edit videos there. Ooh, odd lamp. TV. Ah, good. A kettle. I can make tea, coffee. Oh, look at this. Very clean, very nice. I like it. Everything is sanitized. Oh. Oh. Hello, hopers. Okay, this must be the mini bar right next to the bed. That's very interesting. The previous hotel didn't have anything, not even water. Nada, niente. Now let's see the views. Okay, not the best, but I can sort of imagine the Duomo behind those buildings.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see my arrival to Milan Central Station, check out this video. And if you want to see more about public transportation, check out this video. See you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.